Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you may be. And thank you for coming today for today's sessions. So, my name is Mary Angela Cerbolles, and you can call me Ange because my name is so long. And my line of work has been diverse. I've been a SharePoint developer and administrator for the past 7 years. And 2 years ago, I started building application using Power Apps, and we use it to deploy in our customers. And also, I like connecting with the community, so I get to learn a lot from them and get inspired. And also, I want to help bridge the gap between users and technology. So for today's session, I'm going to talk about just a little bit of background about the mixed reality and power platform, as well as mixed reality and power apps, and some requirements before we are going to build our application. And also, we are going to do some demos. So mixed reality has become a key part of our digital transformation, and it helps our businesses visualize and interact with digital objects in the real world. In fact, 87% of the businesses are currently exploring, piloting, and deploying mixed reality in their businesses. And surveys shows that companies who implement mixed reality in the way they work help improve their productivity and customer satisfaction. So mixed reality and power platform, we have already have a Dynamics 365 remote assist, Dynamics 365 guides, and Dynamics 365 product visualize demonstrated to us on how we can help our employees to work together wherever they may be, and also it helps us improve our learning tools to train our employees and help customers visualize the products by using HoloLens. You can also use remote assist and product visualize in your mobile phone by downloading the app. Last May 2020, during the Microsoft Business Summit, mixed reality and Power Apps has been released to public preview. So we can now start adding mixed reality in our Canvas app. And also you can also mix reality to embed in our flows and use it in your mobile phones. So first line workers and businesses users can easily start validating the space where they are going to put a big machine in their logistics area or a sofa and bookshelves if they're doing some interior design in their businesses. So we can also take measurements on the location where we are going to put our object. We can communicate using 3D and 2D model, so now customers, partners, and business users can easily visualize the product by using their mobile phones using the mixed reality in Power Apps. So citizen developer and pro code developer can now easily build application with mixed reality, as Power Apps is a low code, no code application. So business users and first line workers can build the app easily. So here are the mixed reality components. So we can view 3D objects and 2D objects. View in mixed reality. We can take measurements by using the area, volume, and the distance. And also we can view shapes in our Canvas app. Here are a few things to remember before we build our Canvas app. First, we need to enable the mixed reality features in the in each of our Canvas app, and then our mobile phone should be mixed reality capable device, and the 3D object that we need to use is the supported files is .glb file type. So now we are going to do some demo in 3D object. Before we are going to use the mixed reality component in our Canvas app, what we need to do is we need to enable the feature in every Canvas app that we are going to use the mixed reality component. So to enable the mixed reality component, you need to go here in your file, advanced settings, and then under experimental features, you need to enable the mixed reality features. Once enabled, under the insert tab, you will see the mixed reality here. So you will have the view in MR, view shape in MR, and measure in MR. Now here in my asset checkout, I've already enabled the mixed reality features in my Canvas app. What I'm going to do is under here in laptops, I'm going to change the 2D images here into 3D object. I'm going to upload the 3D objects here, the 3D objects here in my OneDrive because the data source of the asset checkout is under my OneDrive. So I'm going to upload the 3D objects here. And then once I'm done, I'm going to change the Excel file. I'm going to update the location of the images. I'm going to change the JPEG file into the .glb file. So I'm going to change that one. So now I'm done changing it. So I'm gonna click save. And then if we go back here in my asset checkout, I'm going to remove this product image here. I'm going to insert the view in 3D. And then from here, if you click advanced, you will see the properties that are available here in the 3D object, view in 3D object. What I need to do is I need to change the sample 3D object source into this item dot product image. Product image. Okay. Now I need to refresh the data source because I changed the data from my Excel file. So I need to refresh the products. And then I'm gonna click save. I'm gonna change the file. I said checkout demo. And then I'm gonna save this. Now I'm done with the changes. If I'm going to play this one, if I click laptops, you will see the 3D objects here in my asset checkout. So now I can view a 3D object here in my Canvas app. Now, we're going to next do the demo on how we're going to take measurement in our Canvas app. So, for example, in my living room, I wanted to put a new bookshelves. Let's say if you're an interior designer or in your company, you want to have, if you have the partners to sell furniture. So in the app, you can take a measurement and then it will display the available furniture that is available based on the measurement that you get in your Canvas app. So one of the demo that I have here, I want to have this plant in my living room. So I just click the view in MR, and then once it's done loading, so I can tap it where I'm going to place it and then view it. So now you can easily move the object, the 3D objects in your Canvas app, and then I can also take screenshots from there. Here as well is a simple app that I've built. So what this application does is if I'm going to select the MR icon, it will open a new screen. And then I'm going to take the width and the length of the area where I'm going to put the bookshelves. And then after taking the measurement, I'm going to browse the catalog. So while I'm taking a measurement, I'm going to click the submit and then I'm going to browse the shelf catalog. So from that height, from that length and the width of the measurement that I take, I can browse the bookshelf that is available and then take a screenshot from there. So you can use it to send it to your customers for approval or in your business approval. From here in my Canvas app, what I did is during OnStart, I created my collection. So the items are shelf 01, shelf 02, 3, and 4. So I I have for bookshelf, and then I put image. So the image is located here in my media, and then I put the height and the width, forgetting the measurement of the location where I'm going to put the bookshelf. And then here in my main screen, I added the mixed reality component, which is the measure in MR. So this is the button for the measure in MR1. And then the properties is I use the icon for my display type. You can also use the icon plus text or the text only. So here I only use the icon. I use the unit measurement centimeter, but you can also use the feet, inches, and meters. The measure type, I use the area, and you can also use the area and volume, distance, and the volume. And here in my advanced properties, under the on change, I set two variables. So one is the length in centimeter and width in centimeter. So the length in centimeter, it will get the measure and MR1 measurement in length, same as well with the width in centimeter. So it will get the width. And then I put all the variables here. I put the variable width in centimeter here under the width, same as well with the length in centimeter here in my length. So once I'm done, so once I click the measure in MR1 here, so it will get all the measurement here. And then once I click the browse catalog button here, it will redirect me here in a detail screen. From here in my detail screen, I display it using the gallery one. So the gallery one, the data source is using the model furniture collection, which is the one that I've added here in my app on start. So what it does, it will only filter or it will only display the value of the bookshelf, where if the value of the width of the collection, let's say if the width is 67 centimeter, if it's less than or equal to the width in the centimeter that I get from the measurement during on the main screen, so it will display the bookshelf that is available on that measurement here in my gallery. So if I select the bookshelf that I'm going to show it in my mixed reality so I just only click this view and MR component, which I added here in my mixed reality component, and then I change the source to gallery that one that selected that image one. So that's how I come up on how I build the mixed reality in my Canvas app. Next demo is we're going to place a cube by using the mixed reality view shape component, and then we're going to get the value of the depth, the width, and the height in the app. So this is how I do it. From here in my other screen, I added the view shape in MR component. So this component here, from the properties, I have the shape width, shape height, and shape depth. So my unit of measurement is I use the centimeters. And then the display type, I just choose the icon plus text. And then the advanced settings. So on change, because I'm going to collect the images from, if I'm going to take a screenshot, I'm going to put it in a gallery. So I put this code here. So if not equals to is blank error, I'm going to put the view shape in MR3 that photos into the collection photos. And then I have three inputs here, text input. I renamed this one to width, height, and text depth. So the input for this one, I'm going to replace it in the properties of the view shape in MR.
So if I'm going to click the view shape in MR3, if I go in shape depth, I change it to the value from 1, I change it to text from the text input. Same as well with shape height and then the shape width. The gallery here, because I'm going to get a screenshot from the view in MR3 photos. The properties for this one, the data source is the photos, and then the image here, I'm going to use the this.item.image URI. And if I'm going to play this application, if I'm going to publish this one, so if let's say I'm going to save this one and then publish it, now I'm going to switch to my phone.
So this is how the app looks like. So if I'm going to put the width to 5, and then the height is 5, and then the depth is 10, and then I'm going to click the place a cube, so it will show it looks like this one, and then I can take a screenshot from there, and then this will put it here in the gallery. So that's how you we can add a mixed reality in our Power Apps. Bonus, there's another bonus tips that I could give you as well. So in SharePoint, you can also now display your 3D object in your using the SharePoint space. So it's already in public preview. You can enable it in your site collection settings, site collection settings features. So you can view 3D objects in your SharePoint space. And for the roadmap and reference, so you can add for the mixed reality general availability is in October. And here are some of the reference that you could use. One example that I like is the using during the MBAS Hack for Good hackathon, the Space R solution for hackathon using MR components. They use the application to measure an area where they're going to put the hospital beds. This one is really good, and also you can uh, watch the mixed reality on demand session in the Microsoft Business application. Also, you can connect and Power Apps community, as well as if you have some ideas for the enhancement of the mixed reality, you can also view the Power Apps idea forum. So here's the roadmap and the reference. And that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for attending my session, and I hope please keep safe. That's all. Thanks to you.